Hello. Today I want to show you something really special for me, because I will be showing how to build UI automation with Gemini 2.0 thinking model, which is absolutely phenomenal when it comes to coding and also coding the RPA solutions. So here I have my conversation with the Gemini thinking model, and I have uploaded the WI5 process calculate security hash. You may recall this process from UiPath Advanced Training. I think it's quite popular. So what I have done in order to build robot is just I provided it basic technical requirements. The robot will work in Puppeteer and HTML code of the application. I even built together with Gemini thinking, I built this small Chrome extension that allows me to automatically extract the HTML code of the application. Like I can just paste it here, right? But I was pasting it, of course, into the prompt itself. I mean, Gemini has such a huge context window, right? A million tokens, so absolutely you can feed there the entire application, which was not possible like a year ago or 2 years ago. It's, in my opinion, one of the biggest advantages of Google's models, that huge context window. And I paste it here and start chatting with the model, asking it to automate the process that is defined in PDF, right? So I have not done that much. I just asked it to do the process according to the documentation theoretically prepared by the business analysts. And about 20 minutes later, and giving some advices, adding some more context, right, providing, for example, also the test credential for the applications and stuff like that, and giving some guidance, I had a fully working solution that is able to automate the process end to end. It's not even using the application defined in the documentation for creating the hash. It's just I'm using something else, because the default one defined in the documentation that no longer exists, right? So let me show you how the finished product looks like, the finished robot. I will just reset the data. Here you can see the code. So it's 140 lines, 45 lines, and it has console log. So it's outputting each step, and it works quite fast because it's a Puppeteer automation. So I can start it right now. And now it's reading the table, the same way as it is defined in the documentation, right? So it's getting all the I5 items, and we'll start processing them. Here you can see it. I mean, see it. I mean, it works way faster than any other RPA solution, right? It works very fast because it's native for Chrome browser, and within probably a minute, maybe less, the entire process will be automated. And like I said, building this robot took me about half an hour, right? So not that much, and still I was learning how to work with this thinking model, which no longer, which I find no longer as something, just artificial, right? I find it more like a junior developer with whom I can speak, whom I can give a task, and this task will be later, according to my instructions, implemented to the code, which is quite phenomenal. I'm really surprised with the quality of the thinking model, and I really encourage you to test it out. Let's see for the process to end. And all is done. If you go to work items, you will be able to see that every item has been processed. I think there is a small bug with the text, but nothing big. Probably can be just fixed with one prompt. The biggest one of something that surprised me is that Gemini models can output the entire code base. It doesn't like force you to implement the changes yourself. You can ask it to just output the entire code base and just copy the code from here to the code editor and just run it, see the bugs if there are any. Look here, I have full logging, right, for my process. And if there are any bugs here, they would appear. I will just tell the model, like I think I'm saying somewhere here, there's a look how much I inputted, right? So all the bugs from the previous iteration of the code, I just inserted them into the prompt, and everything was fixed in the first try. Right, so that's absolutely incredible. I'm shocked. That might be in very near future how we develop robots and how we develop software in general. So stay tuned because the AI is making the advancements in rapid pace. So stay in touch. Thank you.